Brad Williams, XL Prime. Join all appliances by color. Join. What does that mean? Well, we're going to concatenate. So why didn't you use concatenate? Because we're going to use TEXTJOIN. Hence, join. And TEXTJOIN combines the text from multiple ranges and or strings. This is a very sophisticated way of saying we're going to concatenate. Let me give you some preliminaries. We have a hit F9, so we're going to see a bunch of variety here. If the F9 drives you crazy, just grab this entire information. Just grab whatever you want, copy, and just hit paste special. Otherwise, you're going to see this concatenate here. That's all we're doing. We're going to go down this list. Anything that's white or whatever color we designate, we're going to join. We're going to use TEXTJOIN. Use TEXTJOIN based on our requirements. Here we have a name range, C5 to C13. C5 to C13. And then we have our appliances. Quantity doesn't really mean a doot here, because if we have multiple colors, we're just going to grab one. F9, countertop, counter. Nope. We're going to grab them all. We're not going to say equal something. We're going to just keep this simple as possible. We're going to use an if function. If color equals whatever this is, silver, then our logical test is appliance 315. Otherwise, if false, blank. If true, then let's marry these things together. Logical test, F9, true, false, 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 false. So we have one match. Where? Over here. Over here in the true. F9 and our appliances. If true, join. We're going to separate them. You see this comma and the space? We're going to join. If it's true, we're going to use this delimiter. You're going to just see true. Delimiter, ignore empty, text, F9. We're at TEXTJOIN. We have a delimiter. That's the colon space. We have ignore empty. Whether to ignore empty cells or not. True. We put a true there. Wanted to explain this to you. Our text. First text value or range. That's what we're going to find. We're going to join them all. We hit F9. You see what we got going here? We have this refrigerator, cabinets, microwave. Why do we have all this stuff here? It's not true. What's it going to do? It's going to throw a blank. Otherwise, it's going to join the first right here, first text value or range. We have refrigerator, cabinets, and microwave. Escape, refrigerator, cabinets, microwave. Over here is just pretty much what I explained. Here is what I just read. If you need to review the anatomy, go ahead. Here's the map. Here's the combo. Break it down if you need to. If this logic is kind of screwing you up, if this TEXTJOIN is screwing you up, then break it down or create something easier so you can see how this works. You can also, and I know this is ugly. I know this is going to be ugly. You can go equals, concat. The problem here is trying to find the match. You can't use the concat here because we have criteria, and that would be this silver here. Otherwise, you know how concat works. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.